Hey, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to another brand new video here on the channel. Now today, as the title suggests, we're taking a look at the 10 best applications for the month of July 2019. So without any further ado, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright guys, so the first app that we're talking about today is called Cambly, and for every time that I have got a comment asking me how to speak better English in my videos, this app is going to save you guys all the problems. So Cambly is basically an app that provides one-on-one private English speaking practice with tutors all over the world from USA, Canada, UK, etc. It's basically for people who want to improve their English fluency, accent training, communication skills, or whether you're sitting for an exam like I did, either for the IELTS or for something such as the SAT. Now, tutors are available 24/7, and whenever you have free time to practice English, you can use this app instantly. Now, the way the app works is also pretty simple. You have three sections: home, tutors, and topics. And in the tutors section, you can basically see the different tutors all over the world. And once you hit on the practice English button, you can go ahead and get started. Now, the way the app works is also pretty cool. You've got to get a few minutes, and minutes obviously cost, since this is actually actual people who are going to be tutoring you. And the cost for that is also pretty doable. But since you guys are loyal viewers of this channel, I've added a code of anubhavroy in the description below so that you guys can get flat 30% off while using this application. And now with that out of the way, let's actually connect to a tutor, and I'll actually show you guys how an actual conversation goes like.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Can you hear me okay?
I'm good, I'm good. A lot of my viewers usually ask me, since it's an Indian channel and I make videos, my videos in English, they always ask me about how you can improve your skills of, public speaking and talking in public in English. And I thought this app was a great way to boost that. And I really thought that I could actually get some insight from a teacher in the first place.
As I say, so today's my first day, but I think if everything goes well, as in there are no problems with the audio, I think it's a really good opportunity for people to learn and to practice with a native speaker. I have had some tech problems though.
All right. Yeah, but no, the audio is great. Everything is great. I can see you perfectly. Good. It's working. Don't worry about it.
Okay, good. Thank you. Feedback from a social media person.
All right. You're welcome. It was great talking to you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye. Take care. Bye-bye.
And well guys, that is pretty much it for Cambly. Be sure to check it out. It will definitely help you boost your English skills. Link in the description below. Alright, next up we have an icon pack called LineBit. And I know you guys were gonna ask me regardless of whether I featured this app or not, so I thought, why the hell not? So this is LineBit, and essentially it's an icon pack which is amazing. I mean, the icons in this are straight up amazing. It has this really cool neon theme to it, and it just looks so good with the jellyfish wallpaper that I have set on my home screen. Don't worry, links to that will be in the description as well. It is super cool, super minimum, a very high resolution icon, so definitely check it out. Alright, next up we have this crazy application called Tapas, which is basically a plethora of a collection of different premium comics, books, stories, novels, etc. So whether you have some time to kill when you're at the bus stand or during traveling to college and back, this is going to be your mojo if you are even remotely, related to reading comics or anything of that sort. The app's UI is super simple. The comics are super high quality. There's some really nerve-wracking stuff here if you're interested in thrillers and murder mysteries and all of that stuff. It is really cool. It is free. The app works beautifully, and there are no hiccups or anything of that sort, so definitely check it out. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it a lot. So if a little bit of motivation is all you need, then this next app is going to be absolutely great to get your productivity on fire. So this is Deep Stash, and essentially what this app does is provide you bite-sized articles of several different self-help workbooks and novels that lets you basically, be more productive and get on with your day. There are several ideas such as, you can see, minimalizing your life and, quotes from Socrates and all of these other Greek and Roman philosophers, and basically anything and everything that is going to help you get on with your daily life, especially if you're someone who's starting a startup, or if you're someone who really believes in the idea of self-help and something that you can learn every single day from the internet. This app is going to be absolutely great and very helpful, because I know it has helped me. So definitely check it out, link in the description below. All right, moving from that, we have daily art. And daily art, just as the name suggests, provides you with an artwork from several award-winning painters and philosophers back in the day during the Renaissance period, and provides you with a different piece of artwork every single day that you open the application, along with a lot of information related to that particular artwork. So whether you're a liberal arts student, or you just love history and want to know about different paintings and the architecture and the ideas behind them, or you're just a big fan of Assassin's Creed and the setting that it was based in, and you want to know more about that time period in itself, this app is going to be really cool. Now, it has Google Translate inbuilt in it, and it does have a premium feature, but the free one is very easy to use, and you can also download the artworks in high resolution in case you want to set something as your wallpaper. Definitely check it out. This is super great, and I'm sure you guys will love it. All right, so those were some pretty intense apps lately. Let's move on to something a little bit mellow and a little bit easier. This is a game called Would You Rather, and it provides you with bizarre questions, two questions among which you have to choose one. Which one would you rather do? And there are several categories such as love, crazy, weird, and stuff like that. And it is just absolutely crazy. I mean, look at the questions here. Have hands that kept growing as you got older, or have feet that kept growing as you got older? So basically you can select, and once you select a particular option, it tells you the amount of people that selected it, and you can see whether you went with the majority or you did not. It has a lot of different groups and a lot of different quirky questions, and if you're playing with a friend, this could be really fun to pass some leading time. So definitely check it out. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. All right, any Ted Bundy fans here? Because the next app is called Murder Minute, and this is exactly what it looks like. It is basically an app that gives you a new story every single day about a serial killer, and if you're wondering about serial killers and if you want to know more about them, the app provides you with a personalized section of the story depending upon the type of writing that you prefer, the type of stories that you're interested in, whether you're okay with gruesome details or not, and if you want a brief version or a long version of it. However, the app is really creepy. It becomes very creepy at times. As you can see, currently it's showing me the story of Marcus Wesson, and basically, is this something that you get off to, if knowing about serial killers and the way their mind worked and what are the crimes that they actually did? If you really want to know more about that, this free app will take you through an entire journey through that, and it's super cool. So definitely check it out. All right, so if you ever want to know what your favorite color palettes are depending upon the style that you edit your pictures in, then this app called Colorography will definitely let you identify the colors of your pictures. Basically, the way the app works is you open it up, select any picture from your gallery, and it's going to show you the type of colors that are involved in that particular edit or in that particular picture. Then you can go ahead and download it up, and you can share it on Instagram with the palette to tell people the kind of edits that you like or the kind of palettes that you want. You can also customize the colors and change them if you don't think they match. And honestly, it's just a really great way to get inside your own head and look at which colors are more soothing to your eye and which colors you prefer over others. It's super cool, super minimal. Definitely check it out. All right, next up we have something called Moobird, which is a generative music app, which basically means it's an endless algorithm depending upon the style that you like, and you can basically listen to a lot of personalized music from it. Now, the first thing you've got to do once you open the app is select the style. Obviously, we're going to select hip hop here, and we can see what the app will come up with. This is a really cool application, not just because of the endless algorithms and the endless music mixes that it creates, but also because of the visuals. The visuals are absolutely insane, and I mean, you don't even have to care about the music, just look at the visuals. No, but being very serious, the music is absolutely great, and it does have a lot of features that you need the premium version for, but trust me, it's nothing like a deal breaker, and you will absolutely enjoy some really cool beats if you check this application out. Alright guys, so did you guys remember the game Dumb Ways to Die, that super quirky game? Yep, me too. I used to play it all the time. This is Dumb Ways to Draw, and essentially Dumb Ways to Draw are created by the same developers, and your basic idea is that you've got to draw a certain path with your finger to ensure that your character does not die due to any XYZ reason. Sounds pretty simple, right? That's what I thought too when I played the first level, but the game just keeps getting weirder and weirder, and it just does not work out the way you want it to. You almost all of the time either end up creating a non-working puzzle or something that you just don't survive over. You've got to use your brain, and it's just a really cool puzzle game, and I love the art style and the direction of this absolute game. It's totally free and it's totally very easy to play, and it's a lot of fun. Like, believe me when I say this, it's a lot of fun. You'll almost end up dying all the time, but don't worry about it because it is a lot of fun. Definitely check it out, link in the description below. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to check out our sponsors for today's video, Cambly, the first app in the list. Definitely check out, link in the description below. Until then, this is Anubhav signing out. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links in the description below. Until then, I will catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.